So, in the last class, we have solved the exercise number 2.1 of question number till 2 we have finished. Now, today we will start the question number 3, in which one a question is there 1 by 3 to the power minus 3 into 3 to the power minus 1 into 1 by 9. So, this is the question of exponent, and in the exponent chapter we have told certain rules are followed. कुछ रूल फॉलो के साथ ही हम इसको एक्सपोनेंट्स नंबर को सॉल्व किया जाता है. सो इन दिस रूल हियर फर्स्ट वी डू if the exponent is negative, so first we make this exponent in positive. So here it is negative, here it is negative. So first solve this one, 1 by 3. अगर इसको हमको नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव एक्सपोनेंट को बनाना है तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल, इसके अंदर जो जिस पे वो नेगेटिव पावर लगा हुआ है, जैसे 2 की पावर माइनस 2 है, अगर इसको नेगेटिव करना है तो इस नंबर का हम रेसिप्रोकल अगर कर दें तो ये हो जाएगा 2. या 1 by 2 की पावर अगर माइनस 2 है तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे तो ये पॉजिटिव बन जाएगा. दिस इक्वल राइट 2 की पावर 2. सो फर्स्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस रूल we make the exponent positive. एक्सपोनेंट को पहले पॉजिटिव बना लो. आफ्टर दैट हियर व्हाट विल कम, सो 1 by 3 का रेसिप्रोकल करते हैं तो हो जाएगा 3 to the power 3 into, अगेन इसका रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे तो 1 by 3, 3 का रेसिप्रोकल 1 by 3 एंड पावर माइनस 1. माइनस 1 से इट हैज बिकम 1, पॉजिटिव बन गया इनटू 1 by 9. क्या हुआ, जो एक्सपोनेंट दोनों में नेगेटिव थे हमने जिस पे वो लगा हुआ था उसका रेसिप्रोकल कर दिए तो ये जो है दोनों पॉजिटिव हो गया. अब एक एक नंबर को सॉल्व करते हैं. 3 की पावर 3 मीन्स हाउ मच, 3 को 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करो, 3 into 3 into 3, so it will become 27. 3 3 जा 9, 3 जा 27 into 1 by 3 की पावर 1. किसी भी नंबर की पावर अगर 1 है, 5 की पावर 1 5, वो नंबर itself. किसी भी नंबर का 1 by 3 की पावर 1, that means वो नंबर सेल्फ. सो 1 by 3 किसी भी नंबर का पावर, अगर किसी में पावर नहीं लिखा है, जैसे मान लीजिए 5 लिखा है, सो दिस वी कैन राइट 5 की पावर 1, क्योंकि एक पावर का मतलब उसको वही नंबर इटसेल्फ हो जाता है. सो 27 into 1 by 3 की पावर 1, दैट मीन्स इट हैज बिकम 1 by 3 into 1 by 9. अब इस सबको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो मल्टीप्लाई करने के लिए चाहे 9 3 जा 27 एंड 3 से 3 कैंसिल हो गया, सो इट हैज बिकम 1 into 1 एंड नीचे ऑल आर कैंसिल आउट, सो 1 by 1 दैट विल बिकम 1. सो आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन विल बिकम व्हाट, 1. सो दिस इज 2.1 का, which problem is this one, 2.1 3 chapter 2 3 1, it has become 1. So again we will see the next problem. What is that? The next problem is B. So question number B, here B question. In B question, 5 to the power minus 1, 5 to the power minus 1 into, here curly bracket is there, into, one more bracket is there, 4 to the power minus 1, 4 to the power minus 1, and in this curly bracket again power का power यहाँ कितना है minus, no it is not minus, it is given 2. This is the first step. So curly bracket के अंदर दो small brackets हैं, इनका इन small brackets पहले इन दोनों को सॉल्व करते हैं, फिर बाद में इस ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व करेंगे. So here put the curly bracket and 5. Again, as I have told you, it is negative, so make it positive. This we can write 1 by 5 की power 1 into here also 1 by 4 की power 1 2. Then किसी भी नंबर का पावर 1 है तो वो नंबर अपने आप वही रहता है. So it is 1 by 5 multiplied by this is 1 by 4 की power 2. So 1 by 5 into 1 by 4 has become 1 by 20. And curly bracket again it is 2. 1 by 20 power 2, that will become 1 by 20 into 1 by 20. So it will become 1 by 400. This is the answer of this question. So this way B has been solved. Exercise number 2.B 2.13 1 by 400. Next question is C. Question number C. 3 to the power minus 1 divided by 4 to the power minus 1 whole power 3. Whole power 3. Again, in curly bracket, small bracket 3 to the power minus 1 divided by 4 to the power minus 1. So, inside, first we will solve. So, what will come it is? This is negative. So, for making positive, what we can write? 1 by 3 to the power 1 divided by here also 1 by 4 to the power 1. Again curly bracket, here it is power 3. Same way, move further. Here 1 by 3 power 1, that is 1 by 3 divided by here 1 by 4 to the power 1, that means 1 by 4, and here it is half power 3. Now solve this one. 1 by 3 multiplied by 4 by 1. So power 3. Now it has become 4 upon 3 to the power 3. Now 4 की power 3, that means 4 into 4 into 16 into 4, 64, and 3 to the power 3, it has become 27. So this is the answer of this. C. This is the C. So again question number D. 5 to power n D. 5 to the power minus 1 divided by 3 to the power minus 1 and this is again whole power minus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 1. So same way here 5 to the power minus 1 we will convert in reciprocal and it will become 5 to the power 1 divided by this is also 1 by 3 to the power 1 minus 1 into 2 to the power minus 1 this we can convert 1 by 2 to the power 1. इसका भी रेसिप्रोकल अगर करेंगे तो ये पॉजिटिव बनेगा देन दिस अगेन फर्स्ट सॉल्व इनसाइड दिस वन सो हियर 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 3 and here minus 1 into half to power 1 that is half. Now 1 by 5 multiplied by 3 by 1 and this is power minus 1 into half. Then it has become 3 1 the 3 and 5 1 the 5. So it has become 3 by 5 to the power minus 1 into half. So 3 by 5 to power again. Now see here इस ब्रैकेट के ऊपर माइनस 1 पावर है. अब इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए अगेन वी विल मेक इट पॉजिटिव. सो जो पॉजिटिव इसको बनाएंगे तो इट विल कम इसका रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. सो इट विल बिकम 5 by 3 की पावर 1 into half. So it will become 5 by 3 into 1 by 2. So this will become 5 by 6. This is the answer of this question. So A, B, C, D it has been solved. Question number 2 point D 5 by 6. E, F is the same way, so do yourself. Again here question number 3, E and F solve yourself. Solve yourself. So A, B, C, D, E, F is looks like same. Now we will see G and H. Question number G and H. So this rub and start from 3 to G. G is what? 3 square, curly bracket, G in curly bracket, 3 square plus 2 square minus 4 square, here curly bracket closed, divided by 3 by 2 square, here 3 by 2 square. So this question here 3 square, this we can write 3 3, so it has become 9, plus 2 square, it has become 4, minus 4 square, it has become 16. Now in this curly bracket there is no more bracket, so divided by 3 by 2 by square, 3 3 are 9 upon 4. Now in this bracket solve this thing, 9 plus 4 minus 16, so this you can write 9 plus 4 13 minus 16 divided by 9 by 4. So 13 minus 16 it will become minus 3 divided by 9 by 4. So this minus 3 multiplied by 4 by 9. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, so it has become minus 4 by 3. So in this answer it is coming minus 4 by 3 divided by 3 by 2. So the answer of this G question A, B, C, D, E, F, chapter 2.13, E, F, G is coming minus 4 by 3. This is the answer of G, and now we will see the H. Question number H. In the curly bracket, 3 to the power minus 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 125 curly bracket closed divided by, again curly bracket is called, 5 to the power minus 7 into 6 to the power minus 5 and curly bracket is closed. This is all. So here just see, here 3 to the power minus 5. So that you can write 1 by 3 to the power 5 into here 10. So it will become 1 by 10, क्योंकि पहले क्या करेंगे हम, जितने भी नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट हैं उनको हम 125 डिवाइडेड बाई 1 by 5 की पावर 7 into 6 की पावर 1 by 6 to the power 5. here. 1 by 3 की power 5, that means it will become 1 upon 3 को 5 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करो. 3 3 जा 9, 9 3 जा 27, 27 3 जा 81, 81 3 जा 3 1 जा 3, 3 8 240. 3 की power 5 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 1 2 3 4 multiplied by 1 upon 10 into 5 times 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Here divided by 1 by 5 for 7 times. So this is calculate yourself. 1 5 to the power 7 into 1 6 to the power 5. So this is divided by 1 upon 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 to 3 5 times into 1 upon 10, write 5 times 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 multiplied by, तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. तो 5 7 5 की पावर 7 into 6 की पावर 5 upon 1. So this problem now again. Here it is 5 की power 7 and 6 की power 5. This is all 1 upon 3. How many times? 5 times. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 5 times. No, only 5 times. 3 to 5 times. Into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 1 upon 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 5 times. 1 2 3 into 10 into 5 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 times into 6 5 times. 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 1 2 3 4 5 times. Now you can cancel also. See 5 2, this 5 2, this 5 2, this 5 2 and this 5 2. Here 1 3, here it will become 2. Again 3 2. One more 3 2. One more 3 2 and one more 3 2. It was 5 times and here also it was 5 times. So ultimately here 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into कितना बचा ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई करो. So it is 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 1 2 3 4 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5 times. Again here 3 to 5 times. This also you can cancel it. After cutting here, so 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. It is getting over. Now here it is 1. Here it is also 1. Here it is only 5 into 5. And here it is getting also. So last one we have 5 into 5. That will become 25. So this will be the answer of this question. So this is G and H is third GH chapter number 2.1 question number 3H 300 3125 3125H. This we were solving. No, here some more mistake is there. So this I am cancelling here. You solve first yourself, and if it is not coming, then ask me. Because 5 to the power 5 into 5, 65, 25, and here also 6 to the power 5. So 3, 3, 3, 3. No, it is somewhere wrong. So you question number H, try yourself. If it is not coming, then we will see if this question in next day. So H, try yourself. As the way I have told you, the same way you try first yourself. If it is not coming, then next day you can ask me this one. Now question number 4, we are going to solve question number 4, 5, 6, 7. So 27. So remaining question number 4, 5, 6 we will see in the next class. So this way, this is all about the today, because time is not there, that otherwise I will solve the H. So from H and question number third H, solve self, and from question number 4 next class. Time is over. That's what. Thank you all. Next day we will meet. So till here it has become. Thank you all.
कर दिए